This just a closing, no relations. That bonus song. The last song really needs to slap, bro. Honakava no fara when you slack, bro. No relations, that shit is flames, bro. Start with me, shit will never end, bro. Tina time teaching by my song, yeah. If you didn't know, musoro gaba. You think we babies hatizi maya. Floating no tiza kungembava. I refuse to let life pass me by. I refuse to die young, I won't say bye. I wanna be the main actor, not the other guy. Hear this word, I'll be out for one day. Out for one day. I don't wanna be on the bench, I wanna play the game. Don't wanna be behind the picture, wanna be in the frame. I don't wanna be in the fervor, I wanna be in the field, no director. I wanna be the actor, not the producer, but the singer. Basically, I just wanna be the main actor. I don't want life to pass me by as the other guy. I wanna be in the spotlight, not the guy holding the light. I refuse to let life pass me by. I refuse to die young, I'll never say bye. I wanna be the main actor, not the other guy. Hear this word, I'll be out for one day. Out for one day. Last song needs to slap, bro. No slacking. Honakava no fara, Uncle Z's on the attack. Teammate time, teaching by my song, yeah. It's our time for the team to rise. We end never end unless it's on high note. Veno pinga if they think that we ended low cost. We are the ones to take over. I refuse for life to just pass by. I refuse for me to just die young. I wanna be the main actor, I don't wanna be the other guy. Shout out to DJ Love Money for this EP. Main character D, Thomas and Young Silo for the help it. I go by the name of Uncle Z. We had a blast on this, one more to come. Hear this word, I'll be out for one day. Hear this word, I'll be out for one day. I refuse for life to just pass by. I refuse for me to just die young. I wanna be the main actor, I don't wanna be the other guy. Hear this word, I'll be out for one day.